Hi everyone. Today we have one of our placed student Priyanka Nayak. We'll ask her experience how was in QSpiders. Ma'am, please share your experience.
Um, I placed as a QA intern and I joined QSpider in the month of July, and here I learned the manual testing, API testing, SQL, code Java and automation testing, and here all the teaching staff and HR team all are very cooperative and friendly, and they will they took mock interview and grooming session, the product grooming session, and this is so much helpful for us to crack the interview.
With the salary package of
Now I hired as a QA intern.
fine
After 6 months, they will pay me 3 LPA. Now
3 LP. Fine. Now you started to work there.
yes,
Fine. All the best, ma'am.
thank you.
Congratulations.